In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set a custom ringtone for your Android phone. First, we need to go into the phone settings right here. Click on it. After you've done that, we have to click on sound and vibration. Now we click on ringtone. As you can see, here we have many different ringtones we can choose. We can also click on more. And then we can choose many ringtones. As you can see, there are many options we have. You can also choose a local ringtone. For example, from our library, we have to allow it to access. And first, obviously, we have to download a song that we want to use, and then we can go, for example, into our recorder or into file manager, and then we have to select the sound that we want to use as our ringtone. And then we can select it, go out, and then this will be our new ringtone. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.